nowadays everything needs permission. Now the title of my talk today is the fluorescence or bioluminescence resonance energy transfer and my research. Like Dan has mentioned to you, and I have been on this campus for 35 plus years.
Wow.
To put the years into perspective, this is how I look like when I was the camp. And following that, I began to gain some facial hairs, still happy, and even more facial hairs. Along the way, I began to gain weight and lose the facial hairs voluntarily, and began to lose hair on my top of my head involuntarily. And I figured this is time for me to retire before I begin to look like this. Now, seriously, I'd like to first acknowledge the people that have helped me to reach this point of my career. And the people in blue color are the PhD I have supervised. In the brown color, they are the master student I've supervised. And people in red here are the postdoctoral fellow or research fellow I have sponsored. And these are the people in black here. In these two columns are the people I have collaborated with on this campus or outside of this campus. And the last column are the people I have collaborated to establish a small biotech company. And the first, the starting people are myself and Jim Briggs and Ian Yao. They are in the audience. And also Susan Harding and Richard Wilson. Later on, we were joined by my career. So I'd like to sincerely thank all those people, and without them, and I wouldn't be in this position. Now, I am an enzymologist, and so the area of my research has been in the following several categories. One of them is the basic enzymology, the structures and the mechanism of different kinds of enzyme of our interest. Then our system also, one of the systems we study has to do with the bioluminescence, and primarily with bacterial bioluminescence. And we have published substantially in the area of metabolite channeling and the mechanism for channeling metabolite from donor enzymes to the acceptor enzymes. And then we have, from time to time, we also branch into the enzyme and the sensor-based biotechnology. And the last category is the category, and I never really got a full-size grant for my own research, is the category I help my student and the postdoc to prepare them to go somewhere else, develop their own research. So we have published a few papers on this campus, but I have never really, I stole money from these grants and to try to do something in that category as well. Now, once I had volunteered to do this seminar, I was thinking about, like kids in a candy store, I don't know where to start. And so I was thinking about what to pick to talk to you about. Then it hit me, and many aspects of my work has to do with the light. Therefore, I choose one particular aspect of the light and make that one the focus of today's presentation. That would be the fluorescence resonance energy transfer. And in principle, the bioluminescence resonance energy transfer is pretty much the same, except that the excitation is different. Let me first talk about the fluorescence resonance transfer.